My name's Mike Roush, and here we are at the Roush Ranch, about 8 miles from Mariposa, about 45 minutes from Yosemite National Park. Well, there's, of course, the vineyards. That is my favorite. There's a lot of pretty level land. Hunting, we're not much hunters, but we believe hunting could really be pretty well. There are a lot of wild turkeys, hogs, bear. We have 4 registered ponds in the state of California. We have 11 springs developed on the ranch. The ranch is divided into about 7 pastures from 100 to 500 acres. We do have 13 parcels up here. 8 of them have power running across. I was raised in the house which we call Mom and Dad's house. This house that we live in now was the foreman's house, and then we called the little house the bunkhouse. The winery is a turnkey operation. It has capacity for about 1,200 with the tanks.
I am Leslie Roush. I've been here for almost 40 years. My husband's parents bought 12,000 acres and 33 parcels. Been quite an adventure. We're about 8 miles from Mariposa. We have 10 acres of wine grapes and a winery. We run 30 head of mother cows. They are grass-fed. We have vacation rentals. The winery is here. It's a lot of fun. Mariposa calls us above the fog and below the snow. So that is one of the key features. The climate here is phenomenal. The wind blows through here and it cools the grapes down. About 1 o'clock, they turn the air conditioner on outside. Our house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. The rental house is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. There's a 4-car garage. The barn has 6 to 8 stalls. At one point, we boarded horses here. The arena is 200 by 125 out of the round pen. So anybody who trained horses or wanted to breed horses. And then just the trails, you know, the miles of trails. There are places on this ranch that no one's ever seen but us. There's just things you can't see in normal everyday life that's here.
Oh, working with Bruce has been a pleasure. Always positive. We met through our friends next door, Rob Griffin, and I liked how he presented the property, and that's why he's here today.
Hey, I'm Bruce Renfrew with California Outdoor Properties. We're here at the Roush Ranch. This is an incredible ranch. It's one of those rare properties that just has everything going on for it. You can run a sizable herd of cows out here, a world-class equestrian property. You've got 4 different ponds out here. You've got 11 springs. You've got 6 different wells. And you have 10 acres of this vineyard. And you've got a winery building right here in the headquarters. You could operate a dude ranch out here. You could just about do anything you want. Hunting out here is also going to be world class. There's wild pigs out here, bear, cats, turkey all over the place, upland game birds. You can fish out of the ponds. It's just one of these properties that has it all going on. My daughter's out of school right now, and she came along for the day. It was great to have her to ride with. We spent some time warming up in that beautiful arena, and then we rode out and checked out different parts of the ranch.
My name's Emily Renfrew. I am the daughter of the ancient Bruce Renfrew. It was a lot of fun. It was really nice to go see the different parts of the property. Really enjoyed riding to the pond. That was a good, quick ride. We went and rode around the vineyard, which was really fun, and then rode in the cattle, which I like doing myself. Really fun riding here.
I can't believe the versatility of this property. It's really an honor to be able to represent land like this and do what we do.
Our children, they really don't have a desire to run animals or deal with the grapes. We just said that, hey, it's time to pass it on to somebody that is going to appreciate it, and hopefully will carry on.